against the pole so that you have something to leverage off of. So you're going to have your outside hand high, your inside hand about head level. You're going to have the pole braced against your hip. You're going to bring your leg that's braced against your hip, the leg that's braced against the pole, that moves first. That brace will help you pivot and kind of turn around. So, straighten both knees, come up on the toes. One leg goes, the other follows. Other side, switch hands, abs in tight, brace against. And if you want to sit on the pole, remember to bring your inside leg down so it can go around. Instead of just like that, you're going to bring this leg down and around. All right, one more time on the other side.